Hey there, welcome back to the Quiz Journal. Today, we're putting your knowledge to the test with 25 scrambled word questions. Let's get started. Question 1. And the answer is bear. Question 2. And the correct answer is cheetah. Question 3. And this animal is gorilla. Question 4. And it is platypus. Question 5. And this is penguin. Question 6. And the answer is elephant. Time for question 7. It's a meerkat. Question 8. This is oyster. Question 9. And the answer is flamingo. Question 10. And this is tapir. Question 11. And the correct answer is panda. Question 12. It's okapi. Question 13. And the correct answer is tiger. Question 14. And this is otter. Question 15. And the answer is cobra. Question 16. And the answer is zebra. Question 17. And the correct answer is rhinoceros. Question 18. And this animal is raccoon. Question 19. And this is giraffe. Question 20. And this is porcupine. Question 21. The answer is anaconda. Question 22. And the correct answer is goat. Question 23. And the answer is chicken. Question 24. And the correct answer is sheep. And finally the last question, question number 25. And the answer is mongoose. And that's it. How did you do? Drop your score in the comments below and let's see who had the perfect score. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this challenge and make sure you subscribe to the Quiz Journal for more fun videos. See ya!